Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will teach you how to fix Facebook Marketplace not showing on iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, as you can see on my screen, Facebook icon is not showing. Let's solve this problem. First of all, you come to Facebook app and after that you click on the menu icon below. Now you come to the bottom and here click on the settings and privacy, then click on settings. After that click on profile settings. Now you come all the way down and click on the shortcuts bar. You can see that the marketplace is set to auto. You have to click on auto and then pin it. So guys, as you can see that as soon as I pin the marketplace, its icon appeared on the Facebook page. That's it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then click on the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this video.